Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about this one, that is about sine x and sine x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. So because we have sine x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, because we don't have the negative side in here. So I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sine x dx we change for negative du. So this one multiplied by this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 8 go in here. So 8 plus 1 we have number 9. So similar for number 10. So I will put cosine x go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.